Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Leena Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Suspension of 24 to 30 mining leases to be lifted soon, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Government forms SIT headed by senior SP to probe mining cases. And proposed garbage treatment plant at Banginim will not hamper the historical sites at Old Goa, Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that suspension of 24 to 30 mining leases will be lifted soon. He said that verification process of these leases is completed. Chief Minister further informed that around 118 dead leases will be cancelled.
It's a quasi-judicial order. It's not an direct track power director mines and geology. आता उरलेल्या माइनच्या आहेत ज्या 90 होत्या त्याच्यामध्ये थोड्या ह्या आहेत 42-43 मधल्या 40 ॲक्च्युअली 40 दोन त्यो पहिलीच कॅन्सल झाली त्यानं रॉंगली हे केलं 40 माइन्स पळय तातल्यो म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी 10-12 माइन्सच्या 90 मध्ये उरलेल्या फंक्शनल नव्हत्या पण तरी सुद्धा त्यांना परवानगी दिली त्यामुळे त्या नॅचरल जस्टिसचा प्रोसेस फॉलो करून त्यांना रद्द करावे लागले ज्या 12 चालू होत्या त्यांनाही नॅचरल प्रोसेसचं हे करून रद्द करावं लागलं तसंच या 92 पैकी काही माइन्सना मी लीज करा म्हणून जे ऑर्डर दिलेली ते लीज करा ह्या ऑर्डरीचं कारण अशें आसा की आमकां प्रायमा फेशिया तांचे सगळे बऱ्यापैकी रेग्युलर दिसले मायनर कितें आसत जाल्यार दॅट वील बी सेपरेटली डेल्ट विथ पेन्शन तातूंतल्यान तांकां आमी काडटले पण परत सांगता आमी काडलो म्हणजे तो फाल्यां मागीर चालू जातली अशी न्हय इट ओन्ली इंडिकेट्स दॅट इट इज रेडी टू स्टार्ट मोमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट अलाउज एंड एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स इज गिवन रियल माइन्स who had done the exercise properly of application in time. नव्वद सुमार काम करताले 12 जातल्यो ते हातून येता कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिलेन 80 एक अदर दुसरे येता तातल्यो म्हाका दिसता थोड्यो वतल्यो बिकॉज ऑफ बफर झोन एंड ऑल दोज आस्पेक्ट्स
टोटल मॅक्झिमम 40 पर्यंत जाऊ शकतात गोंयान मायनी सुद्धा जाऊ शकतात
50 एक पर्यंत वचूंक शकता म्हजो अंदाज पण ह्यो काही जालें ना जाल्यार नो वन स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम ओपनिंग
Goa government has formed SIT headed by senior SP to probe mining cases, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. According to the sources, cabinet may wind up Khandeparkar panel.
पहिली म्हणजे इंटरिम स्टेजेर तुम्ही 11-12 महिने येदी व्हडली इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी थारावंक शकना सेकंडली द गव्हर्मेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी रेग्युलर एक्टिविटी अर्लियर गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केलां जे आमकां कितें केलें वी हॅव स्टार्टेड नाव FIR वी आर फायलिंग इंडिविज्युअल FIRs ऑल्सो ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम एक्झामिनेशन इज गोईंग ऑन केस टू केस लफडी आमी सोदून काडून चालू आहा ती आमी हे घेतली SIT इज बीइंग फॉर्म स्पेशल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन टीम अंडर द न्यू SP senior SP who is being placed as a DIG ताजे under SIT is being formed for
mining cases will go to him from crime branch also.
He will be economic SP economic offences. So far economic offence being has been default. So we are making him DIG economic offence and this is an economic offence. तुम्ही corruption आयले आणि कितें
Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza said that the proposed garbage treatment plant at Banginim will not hamper the historical sites at Old Goa. When asked Alex Reginald, he said that the Congress party have always opposed this project. Similarly, Reginaldo demanded that the government should stand by the people regarding this project. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panjim.
We feel that the government has taken precautions not to disturb the heritage sites. Basically, you see, the decision of to have a garbage treatment plant there or not is of the CCP. They have acquired the land for that purpose. Now, whether they should use it for that purpose or not, it is with them. But I feel the plant is very scientific and beyond any doubt that it will disturb the heritage monument.
But do you?
Our garbage. It is our garbage.
But it comes to a close.
Not close that way. I don't know. I don't know the factual position from what is the distance between the heritage monuments and the treatment plant. I don't know. Honestly, I have not seen the site also. But I am very much sure that it is not very close to it. I'm very much sure. It's what I read from the documentation. But it is for the government and the CCP to decide whether they should go ahead or not to go ahead.
In the assembly, during the whole last 5 years, there was the issue of where the plant is going to be held, and there was always difference of opinion. Finally, during the last 5 years, we had decided not to start the Bhayangini plant, and I think our party is opposed to the Bhayangini plant. And not only that, presently, right now, the situation is such that since the BJP MLAs also are opposing it, I think they have felt that the voice of the people is there and the resentment of the people is there, and I think they also want to go by the people.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
The Glitz India true reflection of the names comprise of 150 and 46 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Fish just the way you like it. Experience a stunning variety of fresh seafood delicacies. Here, exotic ingredients and mouth-watering sauces come together in a symphony of flavors, just the way you like it. Managed by Soza Lobo, Neelam Hotels, The Glitz Goa, Kalangut, Bardes Goa.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
Got the groove, makes me wanna move. Take my spirit high, reach out for the sky. Goa's got the groove, makes me wanna move. Take my spirit high, reach out for the sky. Goa's got the groove.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आणि रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Brother Francis and his team invites you all for a healing and deliverance meeting at Goa. 22nd at Wasco Tourist Hall from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. 23rd Friday at Ponda Yashoda Hall from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. 24th at Margao at King's Banquet Hall. Timing 11 AM to 1 PM. The same day at Mopsa Sirsat Lodge. Timing 3 PM to 6 PM. Come and be blessed. God bless you.
Welcome back. Pedne Nagrik Samiti has demanded suspension of Chief Officer of Pedne Municipality within 24 hours. They allege that the Chief Officer demands bribe from people. Vinod Mehta reports from Pedne.
मुख्याधिकारी जो असा मोठ्या प्रमाणात भ्रष्टाचार चालला. लहान लहान गोष्टींक आज त्या ठिकाणी तो स्वतः पैसे मागून कामाक केली वयता. सामान्य जनतेची निश्चित कामां जावंक जाय. सामान्य जनतेक कसल्याय प्रकारचो त्रास जावंक जायना. सहज तांकां एनओसी मेळूंक जाय. तेंच्या ते घर बांदपाक चालू आसत त्याच्यासाठी एनओसी सहज मेळूंक जाय. परंतु कागदपत्रां स्वच्छ आणि क्लीन असताना सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी मुख्याधिकारी पैसे मागता आणि पेडण्याच्या लोकांक लुटता. बारीक बारीक गोष्टी जर आम्ही बघित जाल्यार भाजीच्या मार्केटात वचून भाजी घेवप आणि भाजीवाल्यांक पैसे दिवप ना. कपड्याच्या दुकानात वचून कपडे घेवप त्या कपड्याला पैसे दिवप ना. आणि आज म्युनिसिपालिटीन कोर्ट सुद्धा सुरू झाले असतात ज्यांना इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक त्यांनी एनओसी दिल्या. आणि कालच अशी बातमी कळल्या की त्याची इनवर्ट आणि आउटवर्ट दोन वेगळी असतात. आमकां खबर ना. ह्या संदर्भात त्याचो विचार जावचो. ह्या संदर्भात जे अधिकारी असतले तांणी पळोवन ताचेर कारवाई करची. तर हे स्टिंग ऑपरेशन पहिल्यांदाच पेडणे तालुक्यात झाला आणि अशा प्रकारे पहिलोच भ्रष्ट अधिकारी आज पेडण्यान बसयला. आमकां खबर आसा आज गोव्यात भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार आसा. असो भ्रष्टाचार ह्या सरकाराक चलना. एक बरो मुख्यमंत्री आमकां मेळ्ळा. त्याच प्रमाणे बरो आमदार मेळ्ळा. हांकां असो भ्रष्टाचार किंवा अशो वायट गोष्टी खंयसरच चलले त्यांच्या दृष्टीक जर ते तुरंत तरी एक्शन घेतात. आम्ही इतिहास पळयला आणि सध्या सुद्धा आम्ही पळयला. परंतु हो जो अधिकारी आसा हेचे टीव्हीर दाखवून प्रत्येक पेपरार येऊन सुद्धा तिचेर कारवाई केली वचना आणि खंय तरी पाणी मुरता असं आमकां दिसता.
सुद्धा की त्याका फाल्यां 24 तासाच्या भितर जी कारवाई करतले ते अँटी करप्शन करते जालीच. हयसून पेडण्यासून हेच्या पयलीं सुद्धा 3 वर्सां पयलीं पत्रकारांनी आवाज लोकांनी आवाज उठयलो आणि तेव्हा ते 20 रुपयाच्या कारणाक लागून ताका हयसून ट्रान्सफर केल्लो. तसोच आयच्या विदिन 24 तासांत म्हाका दिसता की ताच्या हयसून ताची उचलबांगडी करची आणि ताका सस्पेंड करचो सगळ्यांत पयलीं.
Goa Protection Forum has demanded inquiry against government officers Umeda Chandra Joshi and Sanjeev Gadkar through Vigilance Department for creating hurdles in implementation of official language law. Advocate Surel Tilve alleged that these two officers are responsible for the injustice towards the university passed out students. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panjim.
साहेब सहाय्यक हे पोस्ट नाका म्हटले आणि त्याच्या वाट्याचो UDC आणि अकाउंटंटाचे पोस्ट घेतले. म्हाका समजना राजबाग संचालनालयात जाला कित्याक की भाशेचें काम करपा खातीर हांगा अकाउंटंट आणि UDC हे पोस्टाची गरज कित्याक आणि ते बीन हे ट्रान्सलेटर अणकार करपी नाका म्हणून हे पोस्ट कित्याक तयार करता. आणि जोशी हांचे भितर कितें तरी शिजतालें आणि गडकरान हे खंय तरी मुद्दाम जावन पत्र बरयलां की आमकां हे पोस्ट नाका. आणि आता हे सरकार येतकीर 2012 वर्सा हे आर पब्लीश जाल्या पूण अजून सुद्धा हे पोस्ट दिल जायना. कित्याक उमेशचंद्र जोशी हो हे गडकराचे पत्र आसा तें घेवन बसला की ताणें हे पोस्ट एबॉलिश केल्या आणि त्या खातीर हे परत आमी पोस्ट क्रिएट करूं शकना म्हणून. आमी मागता की उमेशचंद्र जोशीचेर सुद्धा विजिलन्स इन्क्वायरी जावची आणि उमेशचंद्र जोशी आणि संजीव गडकर हांचे भितर कितें तरी नेक्सस आसा आणि हांच्यांनी दोगांयनी मेळून वायट हेतान हे पोस्ट हे आरामचे सँक्शन जाल्ले 2008 वर्सा ते तशेंच कित्याक पेंडींग दवरले हाचेर इन्क्वायरी जावची. उमेशचंद्र जोशी जाता तितले बेगीन त्या पोस्टा वयल्यान काडचो. ताका खंय तरी लेस सेन्सिटीव पोस्टाचेर व्हरून घालचो तो मनीस थंय मात्तूय उपयोगाचो ना.
Narendra Dabholkar was a great social reformer and his death in tragic circumstances is a painful event, said Ramakant Khalab. He said that he condemns the brutal murder of well-known rationalist Narendra Dabholkar. Narendra Dabholkar was the activist who worked to eradicate superstition in the society.
Narendra Dabholkar, well-known rationalist and who has been working to eradicate superstition from the society and to bring about a sense of scientific tenor, was murdered this morning in Pune. So I condemn this dastardly act. And I feel that no matter what people who were against him have done, the thought process which he ignited in the whole country will continue to blaze, and the rationalist thought will gain momentum, continue to gain momentum. And the most important aspect of our social life, creation of a science-based thought process, rationalist process, scientific tenor will continue to flourish. This country has suffered a lot on account of superstitions of all types, at all stages. We have seen in the past brides being burned, sati, and so many other aspects which have been over the years eradicated because of the work done by social reformists. Narendra Dabholkar was a great social reformer, and his death, therefore, in such tragic circumstances, is a painful event. Congress Party believes in eradication of all such discriminations, and particularly believes in eradication of superstitions. So we condemn this act of murder.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
The glitz, in their true reflection of the names, comprise of 150 and 46 tastefully furbished rooms and suites. Fish just the way you like it. Experience a stunning variety of fresh seafood delicacies. Here, exotic ingredients and mouth-watering sauces come together in a symphony of flavors, just the way you like it. Managed by Souza Lobo, Neelam Hotels, The Glitz Goa, Kalangut, Bardes, Goa.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Stanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Stanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Stanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Stanford.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सचा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
White water rafting.
A pleasant surprise for water sports enthusiasts.
हे very good white water rafting ची कॉन्सेप्ट जावन आसा आनी हांव गोंयकाराकडे मागता की तेणी एन्जॉय करचो हो स्पोर्ट जो आसा.
Enjoy rapids of Riva Madai.
It's a sheer safe adventure sports.
इतना थ्रिल देता है, बहुत अच्छा है. एज अ कपल हम इन सब कपल्स के लिए रेकमेंड करेंगे.
White water rafting.
From Goa Tourism Development Corporation.
Welcome back. A portion of the retaining wall of the Nehru Stadium at Fatoda near the Damodar temple collapsed, leaving a 29-year-old man with fractured leg injury. He was immediately rushed to Hospicio Hospital. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
अकस्मात एक मोठा आवाज जालो आणि स्टेडियमाचे मडगांव सायडीतले दुरीग कोसळ्ळा आणि ते कोसळटना ते वीरेंद्र देसाय अशें नांवाचो फातोडाचो एक भुरगो थंय चप्पल घालतालो ताचेर तें दुरीग पडलें आनी तो सुदैवान वाचलो म्हणटचो कारण ते दुरीग लागून तो मातसो फुडें गेलो आनी ताचे फाटल्यान ताचे पांयार दुरीग पडून ताका ऑलरेडी हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेल्लो आसा. आमी फायर ब्रिगेडियान पुलिसेक सांगलें, पुलिसेन येवन पंचनाम केला पूण आनी बाकी कोण अजून पर्यंत पावूं ना. स्टेडियम मॅनेजर आमी आतां कळयलें आसा. गव्हर्मेंटाचे कोण आयिल्ले ऑथॉरिटीज अजून पर्यंत ऑथॉरिटी अशें कोण येवं ना.
Goa Cooperative Society has announced its annual scheme of Ganesh Chaturthi coupons. These coupons will be given on every purchase worth ₹500. The winning prize of this coupon is kept as ₹20,000. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panjim.
वर्ष पद्धतीप्रमाणे गणेश चतुर्थी फेस्टिवल धमाका ह्या वर्सा आज आम्ही चालू केलो. हाजे जे फर्स्ट प्राइज आसा कॅश प्राइज 20,000 प्लस 15,000चे फ्री परचेज कुपन आम्ही तांकां दितले. फर्स्ट प्राइज मेळटले. सेकंड प्राइज जे आसा 15,000 प्लस 10,000 फ्री परचेज कुपन. थर्ड प्राइज आसा ते 10,000 प्लस 5,000 फ्री परचेज कुपन. आणि चौथे प्राइज जे आसा ते 5,000चे आसा. आणि 30 कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइजीस प्रत्येकी 1,000 रुपया फ्री परचेज. आणि पर्सन जो कोण 500 रुपयांची घेता 500 आनी एबाव तांकां ही कुपन दिल्ली वतली. आणि हाजो ड्रॉ जो आसा ऑक्टोबर 10 तारखेक जातलो. इतले पर्यंत हो चालू उरतलो. गेल्या वर्सा आमकां ह्या ज्या स्किमीक 6,49,00,000 जाल्ले आणि ह्या वर्सा आमची टार्गेट अशी आसा की 7 कोटी करपाची.
The festival of Raksha Bandhan is cherished and eagerly awaited our country. It is a sacred occasion that celebrates one of the most beautiful relationships in the world, wherein sisters tie Rakhis on their brothers' wrists and the brothers in turn promises to protect them with love and gifts. Mandar Naik and Ashwita Fatti reports for RDX Goa.
डैडी का मम्मी का सबका कहना है 1000 में तेरी.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of the headlines. Suspension of 24 to 30 mining leases to be lifted soon, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Government forms SIT headed by senior SP to probe mining cases. And proposed garbage treatment plant at Banginim will not hamper the historical sites at Old Goa, Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.